Want to make your dream of living in one of Edmonton's most prestigious communities a reality? Now's your opportunity to own this stunning and immaculate home with over 7,000 square feet of finished living space. With the serene river valley and Wolf Willow Ravine mere footsteps away, the historic Edmonton Country Club right beside you, and of course, the peace and quiet that comes with being gently tucked deep within the community. And those are only a few of the many benefits that our newest listing in the Wolf Willow Ridge has to offer. I'm Alex with the David St. Jean Real Estate Group at RE/MAX River City, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 1087 Wanyandi Way. Let's go check it out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. This home is absolutely incredible. For more info or to book a private showing, give me a call, 587-985-1585, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part about this house was.